In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add minutes in Microsoft Excel. If you work with schedules, shift times, appointments, or any kind of time tracking, knowing how to add minutes correctly in Excel can save you a lot of time and help you avoid mistakes. The good news is that this is very simple to do once you know the right formula. To add minutes to an existing time in Excel, you can use a basic formula that combines the original time with a time function. This is useful because Excel stores time as a value, so using the correct formula ensures the result updates properly and stays accurate. First, go to the cell where you want the new calculated time to appear. In this example, click on cell C2. This cell will display the updated time after the minutes are added. Next, type this formula exactly as shown, equals A2 plus time, open parenthesis, 0, comma, B2, comma, 0, close parenthesis. Then press enter. Written normally, the formula is equals A2 plus time, with 0 for hours, B2 for minutes, and 0 for seconds. Here's what that formula is doing. Cell A2 contains the starting time, and cell B2 contains the number of minutes you want to add. The time function converts those minutes into a proper time value that Excel can understand. Then Excel adds that value to the original time in A2 and returns the new result in C2. This method is reliable and much better than trying to type the updated times manually. After pressing enter, you should see the adjusted time appear in cell C2. If it doesn't look right, make sure the original cell contains a valid time format and that the minutes cell contains a number. Once the formula is working in C2, you can copy it to the rest of your rows. Select cell C2 again, then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. That's called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward to copy the formula to the remaining rows. Excel will automatically adjust the row references for each line, which makes this a quick and efficient way to apply the same calculation to a full list of times. And that's how to add minutes to your time in Microsoft Excel. It's a simple formula, but it's extremely useful for everyday spreadsheet tasks. Thanks for watching.